Alright, it's the Everglades Tornado building out there. Y'all can see it. In the Everglades. An Everglades Tornado is building out there. Making its way down. It's tearing up the sugarcane fields. That dirt out there is just black as night. It's a muck field. You can always tell when they start to sneak up. The only way to tell. Sugarcane tornado. Alright, seen it here first. Firewire, Christian Underground News. This is Joseph Stubblefield reporting. It's incredible. Oh, it's starting to dissipate. It wanted to be a tornado.